Wait, did you just crack your fingers? Pop. Did your bones break? Every time I do this thing, pop, my mom says, your bones will break. Just stop. Does the bone break? Let's find out. Let's go inside the finger. Inside the joints, there is a slippery fluid, just like soap water, which is very thick, clear, and it is called as synovial fluid, which actually helps in reducing the friction between the bones. So what happens is tiny air bubbles get trapped inside it. So when you pull your fingers, stretch your fingers, tiny air bubbles, they burst, making the sound pop. So your bone is not cracking or breaking. It just the tiny air bubbles saying hello and goodbye. But doing this thing frequently is not a good habit. Okay? So do it less, keep your hands happy, and if you like this pop science, like, share, and follow my YouTube channel, that is KRR Shine Academy. Thank you.